So the same one eternal and only God, considered only in his attribute of infinite wisdom and his all-seeing providence, and as to that attribute typified as a serpent, the most subtle of all creatures, and denominated Eith Ein, He Seth Ein, or Satan, the fountain of wisdom, has been most monstrously taken to be a wholly different and distinct being, as if it had not been the same God who made the day, who also made the night. One Jupiter, one Pluto, one Sun, one Dionysus. It is but one and the selfsame God in them all, so that whatever be the name, God or devil, Christ or Belial, Satan or Holy Ghost, demon or angel, saint or fiend, be it a spirit of health or goblin damned, bring with it airs from heaven or blasts from hell, be its intents wicked or charitable, all are but the varied God. They are one and the selfsame God, who is above all, and through all, and in us all.